See House by GetAway Projects in Rijssen, the Netherlands. The Sea House, designed and built by GetAway Projects, is situated in the middle of a Dutch forest. The distinctive C shape gave name to the house. It consists of 5 spaces that each have their own function. In the middle is a raised kitchen with views to both sides of the forest. This is the central part of the house. Both ends of the C comprise elevated bedrooms with bathrooms, and in between at ground level you'll find a dining area and an intimate sitting area. The house is clad with corten steel, another reference to the sea, and has turned into a beautiful red color. The window sills are made of untreated frake wood, a thermally modified type of wood that has a beautiful and warm look and feel. Frake wood has also been used for the interior finishing of the house. The house is enclosed by an unheated natural swimming pool with a swimming lane of 12 meters and a heliphyte filter with lava stones and yellow irises for the purification of the water. The hexagonal shape comprises an inner garden in which you'll find a raised bar directly adjacent to the kitchen with windows that open up completely to complete the bar feeling, and a raised wooden deck next to the pool. The house is surrounded by a private forest of 5,500 square meters that continues into the bigger forest around. The goal was to design a recreational house for 6 that feels cozy and sheltered at the same time, although being in the middle of the forest. With separate bedrooms and bathrooms and enough room for privacy to be able to enjoy time together, but also to retreat to different parts of the house. The maximum allowed building dimensions were a height of 3 m and size of 100 square meters. This resulted in a house that's only 3 m wide and at the longest part 35 m long, but feels both spacious and private, because of the C shape and the different levels of the house. The house is mostly open plan, but the bedrooms can be closed with sliding doors. The roof and walls of the steel frame house are made up of sandwich panels. They consist of 2 steel panels with a layer of insulating material in between. The outer walls were finished with corten steel sheets.